Woodpeckers are birds from the family beside known for their specialized behavior of peeking into wood to find food and create nests. They have unique adaptation for this, such as strong beaks, stiff tail feathers for support, and zygodactyly feet with two toes pointing towards and two backward for climbing. They are found worldwide except in Australia, New Zealand, Madagascar, and Antarctica. And their diet varies from insects to fruit and sap. Varies significantly from small species about 7 cm to large one up to 50 cm long. Common colors include black, white, and red,